Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can make an integral symbol in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now once you are in this window or once you're on your Microsoft Word document, you will find this insert tab right here at the top. Click on that. And here you'll find symbol. Click on this drop down arrow and click on more symbols. Now the symbol window will appear. Now for the font, simply click on this drop down arrow and you have to scroll up and choose normal text. For the subset, click on this drop down arrow and then look for mathematical operators in the list. This one. Then here you'll find the integral symbol. As you can see, integral. So obviously you can easily insert this by clicking on the insert button. But what if we're just going to create a shortcut for this? Okay, so let's go. You have here autocorrect, click on that. Now replace the text as you type. So we're going to replace it with a text or a shortcut. So let's say for example, we're going to replace it backslash integral. You can do the same thing as mine, or you can also change that to something that you can easily remember. But make sure that if you're going to replace it with a shortcut or a text, make sure it's something that you can easily remember. So that whenever you want to insert an integral symbol, you just have to simply type the text or the shortcut. Now we just need to click on add, click on OK, and then close this. Now let's try. So it's backslash integral. Hit enter, and that's it. Backslash integral, hit enter. So that's how you can easily make or insert an integral symbol into your Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.